Hello everyone, we're at the beach this morning before school making breakfast. Yeah.
Kia ora te whānau, kia ora tuku ingoa. So we're at the beach this morning on a Tuesday for I Have a Dream.
Beaches, enjoying the view, seeing the sunrise, enjoying our friends' company before school starts. It's like having, like someone said, it's like having 2 days in one.
Yeah, go.
This is our before school program. We go before school to kick off our day. We've got vibes. It's actually it's called real dopamine. It's actually like to teach us to do stuff without our phones and like enjoy life, you know.
This is just a daily thing we do for I Have every Tuesdays. I Have a Dream. Just to get yourself out of the house and out there.
There's normally a few of us, like there's a group of like 6 or 7 of us. We've done multiple things. We've gone swimming we've gone to the beach swimming, made breakfast, enjoying the view. We've walked around the loop.